Thinqi's powerful user management tool, the User Imports feature. Let's dive in and discover how to bring aboard hundreds of users quicker than a shout of shark at Bondi Beach. In your admin panel, under that majestic header entitled Provisioning, there lies a gateway labeled User Imports. Kick things off by crafting your CSV, the key to mass user registration. Open the CSV template you can download from the Upload CSV button. Align your columns to capture username, given names, surname, and email, and optionally sprinkle in details like role, organization, and location. Now tap Choose File. Now use the slider to decide should users be instantly verified or take a moment to claim their own digital identity. Hit Upload and watch as your users march in formation appearing under the Imports Preview tab. Ready to set them free? Click the Import button and behold as the ones and zeros do their work for you from behind the scenes. From pending, they'll embark on a journey to completed. Did you hit a pesky hurdle? Occasionally errors pop up like a misfit email or missing information, but Thinqi's your guardian angel, highlighting and guiding you through each hiccup. Rectify them, re-upload, and click Import. There you have it, a smooth sail to mass user registration on Thinqi. Simple, calm, and even relaxing if CSV uploading is your thing. Be sure to check out the rest of the series of videos on the admin feature within Thinqi, and remember that should you require any further assistance, our dedicated help guides are readily available to support you.